In this video, we're going to talk how I got the Vr6 to fit into the airy Corrado. So this is what I got, the B4 Passat TDI front subframe. So that's it there. But it does fit. So those two ends there will fit onto the Corrado. So I'm going to attempt to put it on now and see how it fits. Okay, that's the engine mount done. Sitting down flat. Okay, we're about to close the bonnet now. So we're closing the bonnet. There's now the bonnet hole closed. So they're still a little bit high, but it's not touching anymore there. It's there's a big gap. So it's the very back of the engine is now the problem. Okay, now we're shortening the engine mounts. So this is what I've already done. This is the original. And you can see there is a difference that this one is now shorter. I've taken 1/4 of an inch off this. I don't think it's enough because as you accelerate and deaccelerate, the engine's going to rock slightly forward and backwards. So I've cut 1/4 off already, and I had to shorten this by, I think it was 1/4 of an inch as well. So obviously then as the bolt goes in, if you shorten everything, you have to shorten this as well. So I'm going to probably shorten these probably by, I think that's 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to just take it down, make it flat all the way around, and hopefully that will just drop the engine a bit more. If I have to, I'll just take off another bit and another bit till I have it right. So I'm just going to slice down till it's about level, right to there. Okay, brilliant. So that's it now all cut. So now after some modifications, that is a 5.5. This one here is just barely above 5. Okay, let's try it in the car. Okay, so I have the engine crane holding up the engine mount off. Space for it to go in there. I'm about to install. So you can see on this wing here, it's sitting totally flush. There's no problem with that. So by leaving those two level there, that's now the gap that's going to be underneath. So there's loads of room. So that's where it'll be. So that's it now level outside, and you can see how much of a gap there's going to be. That engine mount seems to be doing a better job of getting the bonnet as low as it can. Okay, so we let down the bonnet. And nice and smooth all the way up. Check the other side. So when I lift that up, so when there'll be a slam panel going in here, that'll be level just there, and it'll be level just there, with loads of room underneath the bonnet. Okay. So guys, there you have it. That's how you get the Vr6 to fit into the early car. So this is an early car, this is 1989, but on the later cars, say like from 92 onwards, you'd have a bump up in the middle of your bonnet, where the early cars have a dip down. So the dip down was the original design, and then obviously to get the Vr6 to fit in, they had to make it in the reverse, so you had a bump up to fit the Vr6. So by just modifying the rear engine mount and making sure you have a Vr6 front engine mount or a TDI from a Passat, it all fits. So I'm delighted with that. So alright, that's how you do it. So it is possible. So for everyone that says, oh, you can't do it because you have the wrong bonnet, there we go. So as always guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Support me on PayPal in the link below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.